Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go count. Hey now, you're a math star, get your game on, go add. When all that counting is done, we'll be adding sums. How are you, math stars? Well, today is a fabulous day to do math. How about it? All right, we're in a new module today, so let's get started. All right, before we get started, I'm gonna read this to you. Gus the Plus. Gus the Plus is a generous young man, giving to others whenever he can. He'll show you how many that you have in all. When he comes around, your sum will grow tall. He adds numbers together so that you will have more. With help from Gus, adding is never a chore. So this right here is a Gus the Plus. He's the addition sign. All right. We are in Module 12, Lesson 1. All right. Our vocabulary today is the word is equal to and plus. So we will work on that. Lesson 1. I can represent put together addition of two groups using drawing, objects, and equations. All right, let's look here. You're on page 309 for this. 309. That's supposed to be a 9. Let's try that again, Math Wizard. Here we go. Is that better? Does that look like a better 9? 309. All right. Look at the picture. How can you represent the brown dogs and the white dogs? Complete the equation to model the groups and the total number of dogs. So first, we're going to be joining these two groups. We have brown dogs and we have white dogs. We're joining the two groups together. So we are adding. We're putting them together. We're joining them. So we're adding. So we're going to use Gus the Plus here, right here. See? Okay. Here we go. How many brown dogs do you count? We need to make sure our equation matches our drawing. So 4 brown dogs and how many white dogs? And 2 white dogs were playing in the park. That is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to. So what we're doing is we're finding out how many that is. 4 plus 2 is equal to what number? Let's count. We have 4 brown, 4, 5, 6. 6 dogs in total. Does that equation match the picture? 4 brown dogs plus 2 white dogs equals 6. It does. All right. Oh, excuse me. All right. Listen to the addition problem. How can you represent the problem using objects or drawings? Write the equation to model the problem. Okay. Kyle sees 5 red kites in the sky. He also sees 3 blue kites in the sky. How many kites does Kyle see? Well, let's go ahead and draw a picture to help us with this. All right. So he sees 5 red kites. So I'm going to go and do 5 red kites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 red kites. He also sees 3 blue kites. 1, 2, 3. How many kites does he see in all? So if those are our kites here, what's our equation going to be? What was our first number? How many red kites? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. And we're adding or joining another group with it. So we're going to do a plus. And how many blue kites did we see? 3 equals how many? How many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does my picture match the story? It does. And does my equation match the picture? It does. All right. Why don't you pause this while you do that problem? Draw the kites. All right. Listen to the addition word problem. How can you represent the problem using objects or drawings? Write the equation to model the problem. Anne walks along a path to the playground. She walks on 4 square stones and 5 round stones. How many stones does she walk on? I'm going to say it again. Anne walks along the path to the playground. She walks on 4 square stones and 5 round stones. So I'm going to draw a picture. She walks on 4 square stones. Do you need to draw a perfect square? No, it's okay. You're just representing, right? 4 square stones and then 5 circle ones or round ones. There we go. What would our addition equation be here? We take one group, and that's going to be our first number, and we're joining it with the other group. So this is going to be our second number. And then we're going to have an equals. How many is that all together? Okay, I'm not going to tell you the answer. I want you to figure that out. So pause this while you figure that out, okay? Fabulous. All right. All right, number 3. Okay, I think I'm recording. Okay, here we go. There are 3 birds on one branch. There are 6 birds on another branch. How many birds are on the branches? Let's do it again. There are 3 birds on one branch. All right, just going to put ovals for my birds. 3 birds on one branch. There are 6 birds on another branch. Does my picture match my story? There are 3 birds on one branch and there are 6 birds on another branch. How many birds are on the branches? So now you need to write the equation. And remember, we're taking a group and joining it to another group. So we have a plus. This is going to be our equal. How many are in the first group? That goes here. How many are in the second group? That goes here. And how many are there all together? That goes here. All right. I'm going to help you out with that by, here we go. It's going to go right there. That's a good line, right? Blue. And then how many all together? That number goes here. You don't need to circle it in your equation. I'm just trying to help you know where they go. Okay, so why don't you pause this while you do that? All right, here we go. Listen to the addition word problem. Draw quick pictures to represent the problem. Write the equation to model the problem. There are 2 children playing in the sandbox. There are 4 children playing on the bars. How many children are playing at the playground? Let's see. I'm going to read it again. There are 2 children playing in the sandbox, right? There are 4 children playing on the bars. Bars are these up here. So there's 4 children. 4 children playing on the bars. How many children are playing at the playground? All right. So remember, the first line is going to be the first number you heard in the story. There are 2 children playing in the sandbox. We're joining them with another group. We're adding this other group. There are 4 children playing on the bars. How many children are playing at the playground all together? All right. You can pause this while you do that. All right. The next question is an on your own. So I need you to get your homeschool teacher to read the directions to you. You do the problem. You don't need their help. You're going to show them what amazing math stars you are. All right. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.